This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. This is Fari Hamzi. And we're recording this morning brief. It's 9:12 on Monday, 23rd of November. Thanksgiving is on Thursday. Just for the record, I'm taking Wednesday afternoon off. That's what happens when you have a system. They book you all kinds of stuff. Some things you don't even need, but it's there. All right. So, but market should be very quiet. The seasonality is to the upside for Thanksgiving, and we're gonna address that as we get into overnight data. Okay. Today we already got the National Activity Index from Chicago. Fed National, what the heck is that? It's just like ETFs are having more and more indices. Maybe make it more tradable time, but the basics don't change. GDP, non-farm, OX, Fed, FOMC. So, but these are noise levels. To me, these are noise levels. Sorry, I'm old school. Okay, what is it? 27, 3-month moving average, 37. Wow. Okay. 3-month moving average is down heavy. But this is very good. Reduction rate indicates that go further to recover. Okay, from October from upward revised to September. The 3-month average dipped to 75 in October as a revised. Yeah. Wow. Jesus. Okay. All right. So moving average is not good, but most recent one is spiking up. Okay, that's good at least. All right. We have 9:45 PMI composite, and then some auctions. 6 months to 5 year. Okay. Case-Shiller tomorrow. House prices. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. tomorrow. That's a key date. That's a rendezvous time. Richmond Fed, and after that. So we got a couple of 10 o'clocks tomorrow, and then 9 o'clock Case-Shiller. Okay. Schiller's from Yale, I believe. John Williams is from New York Federal Reserve, the most important FRB bank outside of Washington. And then Clarida is a vice chair. They're speaking. Okay. You have 7-year auction. I bet you we're doing They have an 8-week bill option now too. Give me a break. And they do it. They put the rig there. The Baker Hughes rig count is on Wednesday, and so is the minutes at 2 p.m. Oh gee. Okay. Well, I'm gonna miss that, but you got plenty of astute players here, so they'll walk you through it. And you have EIS normal personal income at 10. Consumer sentiment. Okay, these were crucial. Thursday, and there is nothing on Friday on the balance sheet. Yeah, that's why. Okay, now where is the 10-year on 30? That's a 3-month. That's an announcement. They don't have a 30 this week. That's at 4 week now and 8 week. Are you kidding me? We are borrowing so much. Oh my God. Yeah, this is the worst year of borrowing. $3 trillion. Okay, here we go. We got durable goods. That's what I want. Oh, durable goods. Yeah, hold on. She's got to cover that. So Wednesday morning is gonna be fireworks. Okay, guys. You have durable goods. This needs to be added and to my calendar. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we have durable goods, GDP, of course, shops has climbed. Yeah. This is the trade. Hold on, let me see what this is. Hold on. Yeah, because 9:16 we got to hustle. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's end of a month. You have to, because the following Monday is the only. This is the last day. The following Monday, 30th, week from today. Yeah, it's the last day of the month. Yeah, I think you're going to see some window dressing on that. Yeah, it's the best month the Dow has had in since '87. Who would have thought changing over guards will do this? It did. Yeah. All right. Let's move on quickly to PMT. Okay, timer chart. We have not put a new trade on. because I was surprised by the action Friday. Maybe we can make up for that, and then we'll pick up a trade. Or if we do, we're going to have a long duration after because of this week. Yeah. So that the delta rate of the change of a delta per day, not delta, theta is very low. Yeah, rate of the change of theta per day is very low. Okay. Because this kind of this muddied the water. I thought it was going to bounce. I was wrong because this took all the calls out. I was looking for a way to take the puts out for the market makers, but I think that corona again still COVID news is just overwhelming. Look at the numbers. They're massive. More than 1,000,001 people were infected just last week. Last seven rolling days. More than 1.1 million. Not a joke. Yeah. Well, because we're careless. Yeah. So we're hunkering down, not going anywhere. Yeah. They still call me astronaut over at seat to table. That's a good idea. Leave it there. Yeah. Okay. We have pulled back kind of on transportation. We've held on Russell. Here's a closer look. You'd see what's happening up there and here. So, yeah. Not today data will come in. We'll probably, there's a good chance today or tomorrow we could get into a new high for Russell. Risk is on without any question. Look at that change. Look at the 50 bar slope. Remember, color and slope. By the way, Friday night we sent a code out on Happy Expert. We got it working. Finally. For the goals we have set so far for programming. Yes, I'll give you a snapshot of that quickly. Okay. We're buy here, buy and buy, hasn't changed. Okay. We pulled back because this is very sensitive to what's happening inside of SPX. We're not looking at what the price does. We're looking inside of those bars. That could be a variety of inputs, obviously, but remember the indicators if good indicator, will move ahead of the price. If it's moving after the price, you don't need it. You just look at the price, right? So you want to be a leading indicator. If it's a laggard, what do you need that for? The price is telling you that because only price is going to pay you. What good is if it ran by and you didn't get paid? No good. So, so it's that pulled back down here because of Friday, of course, expiration. Let's see how this goes tonight. This is crucial. We got reacquire zero and hold on Momo. Yeah. VIX flat. Yeah. Interesting enough, oil pulled back. Yeah, well, it's been rising. I expect oil to continue to rise. Yeah. Still haven't done any work on this. I'm sorry. I had my total time off for myself this weekend was 3 hours between 2 to 5 p.m. Of which an hour I was on the phone with Jake Diley. I mean, he was there. He was present on the phone. We were chit-chatting about different things. That's the only time I've had to myself to just sit out there, have a cigar, have a Stoli with pomegranate juice, and we call it Golnar. It's very refreshing, and the sun was just gorgeous. It was absolutely amazing. All right, so SP2 is at 50 area, 49.50. Okay, that's a very neutral reading. Rendezvous points are coming here in that area. So, a lot to be done next few days. We always, all pundits say that, don't they? It's interesting to see what the next number is. What this is what you've done to us for 20 years. Tell us what to do now. We don't know. This time we don't know. Why? False are too high. You can't be making new highs when balls are up here at 23. If that's not alarming to you, maybe you're in wrong business. Okay? So, sorry. I'm not a purveyor of good news all the time. Sometimes there's bad news. Be ready for that. And catch the reality trade. Yeah. Yep. SQ is not budging. It's not going up. It's not going down sideways so far. But I'm wondering if it's going to challenge that spike or not, which is around what? 136, yeah, and change. So if it gets past this 2 sigma, current 2 sigma, then we got a problem again. I do think we're going to have, oh, geez, hold on. I do think we're going to have problems, but We'll see. This did that. How did this go? I don't know. Okay. So I forgot trend. Let's go to treasuries real quick. It's 9:22. Okay. Nothing significant here. It just pulled back a tad and holding. Put it down there. Okay. Now, this is this is this chart I keep for myself on the screen here. Where's my hold on. I should have three. Okay. Let me go to Excel. Here's the Excel. A lot of last night was this area. It just this was I don't know, it was like 9 p.m. or something. Yeah, this 8 p.m. Yeah. This is what last night happened. It was just very slow. And volume had its good moments, but not much. Of course, as you know, we're doing these charts, Excel pluses, okay, on a thing. Now, I noticed that Friday was not posted. I forgot. It was posted later. That was posted yesterday for the archives. The archives they get are run here. You log in, okay, and you go to OTF. Notice OTF is gone. So OTF light now, and you see the charts is building up slowly. Okay, this is our first for the CLF 21. These are history. I brought them, just connected them. Back here, it just doesn't matter. It's one contract back. So we'll start filling that up. Okay. Now, here's what this is why those charts were posted late, because I was busy. Guess what I was busy with? And tomorrow night, we're going to have a stellar, absolutely stellar presentation. I don't think we've ever done work this good. I'm going to explain to you why. Yeah, this. You see these bubbles? They're working. This is the bubbles. You got to get the bubbles now. This chart is working. This chart is actually this in the chart mode. It actually allows you to do both. Okay. And because of that, we had to make sure everything was fine. The problem we were having for a day or so, chasing our own tail, what do you call it? The scaling. It's just a little lesson for you guys. This same axis underlying. It was right axis. Okay. So when we send you these, the TWS file, do not change them. That's where you keep a copy. If you lose them, you have to bring it in again fresh. Do not put your stuff on it. You're not going to get the results we're getting. We have to optimize certain things, color, this, that. There's some rows there, you can see. Yeah, but we take them out. There's your interval. We take them out just to make sure that we have maximum viewing area. Okay. Saturday I went over this. We finished the code like 6 o'clock Friday. Finally, it went a lot of back and forth with TradeStation. We got it finished. We sent it out. Saturday I installed it for Admiral, and he was doing backflips. He says, "I can't believe this is done." I said, "Yeah, it is done." So you can see the bubbles. Bubbles are we just got what those are tomorrow night. So don't forget the webinar tomorrow night. But this is the best work we have done. Let's do this. Yeah, this is your buys and sells. Yeah, almost everything going to a buy now. Yeah, there's one sell going on, which IR. Yeah, it's getting ready for that. Yeah. Yeah, remember, this has to give a signal. First signal. This is the second signal, and this is your where you are in so many days back in the channel. This is a channel high, channel low. CPO is channel breakout. Okay, up or down. So you need to know where you are within the range of these channels. So if you're too far from the bottom, don't get long. It's too late. You move late. So because this could go on for a number of bars that give you a signal. We also have here what's called bar count. See that this one. This also says how fresh is the signal. Like this one is look at Logi. Okay, the signal that last bubble was 9 bars ago. Be careful. Yeah. Look at a gap up there, there, and a gap down. So this gives you some clarity to what to chase. This is a 9 bar also low. So this was a signal 9 bars ago. So this is stuff that someone was initiated by TradeStation. They've done a great job. All right, let me wrap this up. We're done. Don't forget webinar tomorrow night. Okay, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Then we'll post this thing. Thank you.